Hey guys and girls, my name is Crystal and welcome to my channel. For today's look, I'm creating this pink rosy eye look, so I hope you enjoy and let's get started. I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and I'm just gonna prime my lid. I mean, duh, right? That's what eyeshadow primer is for. Then I'm taking the color Shy from Huda Beauty's Rose Gold eyeshadow palette and I'm just going to apply that in windshield wiper motions. And since I have hooded eyes, I'm going to be going a little bit above my crease. And just keep applying the desired amount that you want. This is my transition color, so I'm really going in with that. Now with the same fluffy brush, I'm taking the color Sandalwood and I'm going above that color just to blend it out a little bit more. I want to give it some warmth. Now taking this pink color called Flamingo, I'm going in with a more tapered brush and I'm going in on the exact crease. And I really want it very intense and bright, so I'm just going to keep applying. And now I'm going to take the color Love Letter and just go over that to intensify the brightness. And with that same fluffy brush from before, I'm not picking up any extra color, I'm just blending it out. And now I'm going to take the color Bossy and go over that. The reason why I added the other brighter steps is because I still want it to come through with this color. If I add Bossy by itself, it'll just get dark. Taking this smaller blending brush, I'm picking up that color Bossy and just defining the outer V. Now I'm taking the color Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette with this flat eyeshadow brush. And I really like to define the outer V, so that's why I take this type of brush. And I like to add little by little. I don't like to go straight into, a whole bunch of black or a whole bunch of brown because that's just not my style. I like to slowly add until I am satisfied. Taking the small blending brush from before with nothing on it, I am just going to blend it out. Now using my Lock-It concealer from Kat Von D, I'm going to create a half cut crease. And I learned this really cool trick from Daimer, I believe is her name. She's on YouTube. Recently she's gotten on YouTube and she's gotten like so many followers in less than 6 months. It's like insane. She's super talented, so shout out to her for teaching this awesome trick for people who have hooded eyes. So what you do is put a little bit of concealer at the center, or the bottom near the lash line at the center of where you want to have that cut crease, and you look up, and that helps you map out where it's going to be viewable when your eyes are open. So I thought that was pretty cool. I don't think I've seen anyone that are like big on YouTube that has taught this trick, so I thought that was really cool. And sorry about my dog whining in the background, you guys. I don't know what's up with her. She's just being a little cheaply. Now I'm picking up the color Rose Gold from the Huda palette. With a clean finger, I am applying it on the outer part. And with a flat packer brush, a wet brush actually I should say, I'm trying to add a little bit more just to intensify it. And now I'm picking up the color Angelic with a smaller packer brush and I'm just going to apply it on the inner part of the lid. Now please excuse my disgusting ass eyebrows. I have no idea what was up with this. Clearly they look bad. Now I'm just blending it out a little bit, and with the color Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to apply it right underneath the brow bone and on the inner corner of the eye. For the bottom, I used this flat eyeshadow brush and I mixed the colors Love Letter and Flamingo, and I just put it all underneath. And with that brush we used before, I picked up some more of the color Abyss and I intensified it. Now I was in a rush, so I didn't put any eyeliner, but I would have put some black liner with this. Now I'm taking the color Rose Shock from the Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighter and I'm applying it over the rose gold just to give it a little bit more of a shimmer. I wanted that like duochrome effect and I wasn't getting that before. Now because my lashes are pointing straight down, I have to curl them a little bit, and I'm just going to use this Tarte mascara before I apply my falsies. So for lashes, I'm using these very beautiful House of Lashes called Featherette. And before I applied them, I actually did a little thin line of eyeliner just because my lashes are really weird and then you can see a weird gap. And by the way, you guys, applying falsies on camera is the hardest shit ever. So here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and add me on my social media accounts. And I hope to see you next time. I love you, beauties.